Hey, what's going on, guys?
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex from Fitment Industries.
It's Andrew. What's up?
And I'm Sick from Fitment Industries.
He's Jasper.
I'm also Jasper.
We are doing another episode of reviewing cars from the gallery. So we have Andrew here today to fill the spot of Dom because Dom is off doing like hippie stuff in California or Colorado, whatever. Yeah, we don't know where he's at.
He's been gone for weeks.
He might not even come back. I'm not entirely sure. So Dom is never coming back, so we have Andrew here. Jasper he chose to wear his Supreme hat today because he's just feeling a little special.
That's not wrong.
And we are going to jump into reviewing your cars. Now, last time we reviewed our own cars, I think Andrew actually took the cake with the best score. Everybody digged your car. Yep. People either loved or hated your car.
Yeah, it was very
50-50.
It was very fun.
And everybody loved my car except for the wheels. They wanted to turn them to ash. So we are going back to our normally scheduled video, and then next time we do this, we're going to be reviewing another set of our own cars. So if you want to have your car added to the show, you just got to add it to the gallery at fitmentindustries.com. Do the thing. /ad. And then send us your gallery ad in an email to shop@fitmentindustries.com. We do this every time.
Is that where the text
Yeah,
goes?
That's
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
Yeah, I'm a magical
and we
person.
will put you on the lovely lineup. So, first up, guys, we have a 2012 Lexus IS250. Now, these guys haven't seen any of these yet. It's on work CR2Ps.
Oh, okay.
18x9 plus 35, Michelin Pilot Sports. So not bad, right? And then on airlift management. I'll just start off right off the bat. I love Lexuses. I love them bagged. I love that he went with the works. He's got good tires.
Is it Lexuses or Lexi? Plural.
That's a good question.
Like cactus.
The Lexis are beautiful cars.
Lexi.
Wheels are a little tucked. You'd probably be able to squeeze a spacer in there and get them a little bit closer to more of a flush look, but I bet, he's got rear wheel spacers, 25 millimeters.
Fenders rolled, airlift.
Yep. What do you think? What do you guys think?
I dig it. It looks really good. I do like that color. The burgundy's cool. It's very clean. Once again, the work wheel. I think that's a solid choice for that car. That's probably one of my favorite patterns, just a clean double 5-spoke. Mm-hmm. It looks good. It's tucked a little bit in the rear, you know what I mean? Not everyone has to sit fender to lip, you know what I mean? I think a lot of people, that's like an assumption, you know, that they have to sit fender to lip.
Especially with bags.
Jasper?
I think this car's stellar. Overall, it's just, tuck-in's so baller, and it's so pimpin'. And he even has like his Instagram kind of deal on his plate too. Good on him. No, the work. Well, you know what? Gotta plug it. Also, work CR Kais though are such a great choice because it's like a perfect way to get into like the real, like the big brand name game, but like still go with one piece. And like, I don't even know how much they are, like $2,000, $2,500. So like
they're affordable though. You can even get a set of used ones for a really good price.
And they're very good quality too, because you're buying. I mean, you get what you pay for with wheels a lot of times. So with work, it's gonna be good wheels, and for one piece, I mean, they're great looking one piece wheels.
Yep. All right, so we're rating it out of 10. We're gonna do it on 3, right?
Yep.
So 1, 2, 3, score. Wait. Yep. After 3, you score. Okay. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 7.5. Yeah, that's
You said 8?
Good.
8.
Yeah. 8.5. Yeah.
Overall, pretty good.
Very clean car. So we're moving on. We're going to something way across the board. We're going out with a 2017 Subaru XV Crosstrek with some ES1001 17x8 plus 20s. This is cross-faded Crosstreks. Subaru Crosstrek.
Okay,
are we allowed to include that?
Yeah, Yokohama Geolandar HTs with some ISC coilovers. All right, Andrew, you get to start it off.
Okay.
What do you think? He says,
No, so I have a All-Track.
Yeah.
I like the wagon aspect of it, and I think it's cool, and I think props to this dude because he's doing something different, because it's always Outbacks, it's always Foresters.
Yeah.
I haven't seen a lot of Crosstreks modified.
No, not at all.
So that's cool. I see like where he's going with it. It looks like outdoorsy, and it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
It's different.
Yeah. Jasper?
I mean, it is a Subaru, so like, kind of like what we talked about with Dom's car, but this guy's like actually has suspension, but it's more of like that rally-esque.
It's acceptable to be lifted.
Yeah, exactly. Like, it doesn't need to be slammed to the ground because like, it's a crossover. Like, it's still, I mean, I assume this man still likes to party in the backwoods kind of deal. So like,
I think it's a cool function-esque style car.
No, for sure.
Definitely. I think it's different. I see the ESMs. I'm usually more of a fan of like the I guess, the OZ Racing style, where it's more of like a thinner multi-spoke.
Yeah,
because I think
yeah.
it gives it a little bit more of a sporty
Very
look. This is
race
a very,
inspired.
yeah, this is
Yeah.
a very blocky look. I
Yeah.
think he's really close to having this look like cross-functional. If you got rid of the chrome and you kind of did a little bit more with like the color contrast.
For
I mean,
sure.
it's
Yeah,
there.
the white accents is definitely a ballsy move.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, you gotta be
not
careful
every
with
car
that.
can get away with that, because
Yeah.
if you do too much, then
Yep,
it just won't be
agreed.
good.
All right, on 3. You ready? Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3.
6.5. Yep.
Dang.
You said 6?
Yeah, we're doing good.
Good deal.
All right, moving on. We're going back to the Honda game, 2005. Just kidding, I lied.
oh,
It was a psych,
jumped
psych,
ahead.
psych.
Sorry, okay.
2010. We're jumping over to the muscle car game.
I saw this one. This
2010 Dodge Charger
Thing's dope.
with 22x9 plus 20s, Lancel LS 588s, airlift air suspension, and more white on a car than I've ever seen before in my entire life. He's got the bull bar in the front, the lights.
Halos are cool.
I
That
mean-
is so. This is so dope.
This is like
side skirt.
porn to a cop.
Yeah,
Or
Yeah.
actually, you know what? I've had altercations with police officers many times this year. Actually, I don't know if he'd like that.
and so just to kind of bring it full circle, the IG for this guy is the Popo is coming.
Yeah,
I dig it.
I dig it.
that's tight.
This air setup looks
Yeah.
good. It's got hard lines, subwoofers, something.
What does this tank
I
say?
don't know about stereos.
So
these days.
his tank says, anything lost can be found again except for time wasted. A vision without action is merely a dream. It's the action, it's the grind, it's the hustle, it's the persistence. Kevin Gates.
22s.
Yeah, that's inspirational.
I mean, this man, I mean, he has it dialed in.
It's got 2 light bars on there.
Yeah, one
It's
is
a cop
never
car.
enough. I mean, truck guys have 1 light bar, right? He's like, nah, we're gonna do you up with 2. So not only will you be blinded by his already low headlights, but if you're on a toddler tricycle riding down the road, you will also be blinded.
Yeah, and then even for the lower one, when you're
Like
on your
a-
radio flyer.
Yeah, or if, you know, a lizard is crossing.
It's so much white that I like it.
I know, it's cool.
Yeah,
The headlights are
reminds
dope.
Me, it reminds me a lot of Sean's truck, the
Yeah.
CO2, of
Yeah.
just like the white headlights, like everything.
It's interesting that is like this front,
And you don't
Police
see a lot
car
of
is
stancy
black.
muscle.
Yeah.
It's very rare.
He
Yeah.
definitely like took it to that whole like, you know, you see people like bag the Crown Vics and give
Yeah.
it like that
Under the lip,
police
that's
look. Like
good.
this dude like went full bash bar and everything.
yeah, it looks really good. And then
Right.
he's got 1.5 spacers in the front, 2-inch spacers in the rear, just so everybody knows.
For sure.
Let's rate it
Nice
out of
setup.
10.
All right.
Hold on. All right. 1, 2, 3,
9.
8.
Is that
All right.
8?
Yeah.
Okay. Whatever.
I just, okay.
Just not giving him credit. It's
So
fine.
like,
no,
you know, if we're just
oh,
gonna
that's-
talk about it a little bit, I think it's a super well done car. I think that with enough effort though, if you could get that wheel fitment dialed in
Oh, yeah,
without
no,
a
I
1.5 inch
agree.
front and 2-inch rear,
Yeah.
I think you'd be better off.
Well,
Plus-
especially with a huge 5-spoke, could you imagine see those things super concave?
Yeah.
Like that would look
Yeah.
so good.
So, but otherwise,
rad.
gorgeous
Yeah.
car. All right, we're moving on. 2015 Ford Mustang, one more muscle car. We
Watch out.
muscle guys out there. There's dozens of you, so we're talking about it.
There's no Mustangs behind us.
No.
We're good.
2015 Ford Mustang Velgen VMB6s with 20x9 fronts, 20x10.5 rears.
Okay.
Nitto Invo front 255/35s, 295/35s in the rear. Airlift performance becoming the standard, it seems like.
Indeed.
IG is Nemesis 3.7. And let's see what he's got. No rubbing, no scrubbing, no spacers, nothing. He just has it dialed in.
Damn. Good on him.
Jasper?
Yeah, this thing's sweet. I love that like this generation of Mustang is like the one like people are really
Yeah.
starting to get. I mean,
Yeah.
people were like slamming the Terminators, kind of like that in between like 2006's era, but like this is when people were like, all right, I'm buying air like for a Mustang
Yeah.
and putting the bit like Stancy Boy wheels. Like it's a great platform. Like it's when they really like got super dynamic with their
Yeah.
body parts. For
And
sure.
Velgen makes good wheels too.
Yeah.
I know that these guys do a lot of stuff with like Mustangs and
Yeah,
Corvettes
very
and
high-
stuff.
It's a
very
clean
high-end
choice.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nothing too wild. It's just subtle for the look he's got going on.
It's a good look.
Yeah.
All right, we're rating it out of 10.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
9.
7.5.
I'm being very generous today.
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys.
Did
but
you get like some free food? You're just feeling good?
I did not get free food
You phone a
actually.
friend?
I had to pay like peasant.
Oh, dang. All right, last
the
but
last
not
one.
least,
All
okay,
right, here
we
we go.
decided to mix it up a little bit, so either you're gonna love it or you're gonna hate it. Now, I know Jasper is one of the weird guys that likes all the weird stuff.
He's weird.
but I think you'll appreciate this too.
Okay.
We're gonna be looking at a 1993 Chevrolet Beretta on some Rays Engineering 17 by 7.5 with Continental Extreme Contact Sport 225/45 on Coney lowering springs.
It's clean.
What even?
Yeah.
That is
Look
so...
at that with Willwood upgraded brakes. This is Dante
interesting.
GTZ's car. And then we've got, let's see, Coney yellow inserts off a first gen Eclipse turbo. His rears are off a Saab 9000 turbo.
Yes.
He has rear sway bars and upgraded suspension bushings. Fenders are rolled. He's got 10mm spacers in the front and 4mm spacers in the rear.
Damn, that's exact. It's like very specific fitment.
So the Rays are RS0s, W41 cams, exhaust, clutch. I mean, this dude's like,
48.
he put money into this.
Yeah.
This is cool. What do you think?
It's clean. I like seeing something old like this because I'm actually getting sick of new cars. They're so futuristic-y, and this has like that really boxy tail lights. It's actually cool to see that. It reminds me of like being really like a young kid again. And the fact that you took the time to customize stuff like that and for how clean it is, like props, it's cool. This is something I would want to see to show like, okay, cool, man. Like, it's different.
Jasper?
Yeah, so I love this thing. As in my first video, I'm a huge fan of this. Just, it's so like, if I saw one of these stocks, I would not think anything of it. But for the fact that like, this dude's got some Rays Engineering wheels, like went to time and balled out on a set of wheels. And then like, and then he went, this is like what I love about cars like this, is like, he got like different parts from different cars. So like when you see people like that, like, you know, Fuller with the Solstice, it's like, yeah, this turbo's from like this, or like what, it's like such a Frankenstein of a car, but like it's so nice.
I think the coolest thing about it is just like, when I see the pictures that I do on this, so first off, he's taking it through the roads, and then you see like the mismatched parts that he had to like make work for this car. I see a dude that truly like just enjoys this car, like really finds passion in this car. And then he knows what he's doing because he's got the good wheels, he's got the good tires, he's got proper setup, like he's driving it everywhere.
Yeah, and like he still knows like how he wants his fitment too. I mean, he's got a 4mm in the...
And the fact that he upgraded his brakes, or at least they have Willwood brakes, I doubt they came from the factory like that, is crazy in and of itself. So let's rate this one out of 3. I know this is a tough one.
Yeah, that's
out of 3.
I mean, out of 10.
On 3.
On 3. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
8.5.
Dang.
Yeah.
That's cool.
This thing's sweet.
So definitely dig it. It's a cool, I mean, it's weird as it sits, you know what I mean? It's not a common car, but that doesn't mean that you can't approve.
No, yeah, I would never look at one of those and be like, I want to mod one of those.
You can't tell that it is until
It's
you get
unique.
like the one action shot of it, like that.
So you're like, oh, he actually drives it.
Yeah. So those are our top 5. If you guys forgot, all you have to do is add your car to the gallery at fitmentindustries.com/add. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll want to send that link to us though. You just do the hand thing too.
I wanted to do the hand.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, but just remember that you have to send in the link too. Email us at shop@fitmentindustries.com with the subject line saying review my car. Bonus points if you give me a compliment. We'll rate yours first. 2 bonus points if you make fun of Jasper.
Yeah, 3 bonus points if you find the weirdest emoji you can in the subject.
Yeah, there you go.
And no bonus points, but stay tuned because version 2, episode 2 of Employee Cars is coming.
That'll be
reviewing our
coming up
cars.
next
You're gonna
time.
wanna watch that.
You guys are gonna want to get ready. But I'm Alex from Fitment Industries.
I'm Andrew.
I'm Jasper for Fitment Industries.
We'll see you later.
Peace out.
Peace.